Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a triple flip cup on an 8x16 canvas. And today's colors are Creative Inspirations Lamp Black, Folk Art Blue Violet Flash. This is Grumbacher Prussian Blue mixed with Artist Loft Iridescent Medium, Liquitex Deep Violet, Gold Interference, Soho Cad Yellow Light, Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green, and Lucas Indigo. So all of these paints are mixed with silicone, including the black. That recipe is down below, and how I mix my paints, that video is down below. And also my base paint mixing video is down below. We aren't going to use a base paint today on this one. So let's get started. We're going to start with some black. Follow that with the Blue Violet Flash. This is one of my favorite flash colors. And we'll go with the Grumbacher Prussian Blue with the iridescent. The Liquitex Deep Violet, just to highlight that blue. The Gold Interference. And we're going to highlight that with some Cad Yellow. Bringing up contrast with Phthalo Yellow Green. And of course the Indigo. And I'm going to finish with black. It's a lot of paint. That's about 7.5 ounces right there. So I'm going to move that one over there. This has a little less. I'm not going to swirl it. I'm just going to flip them. Pretty. Love when they peek out like that. So I like to do my middle cup at an angle. Okay, let me just move that down here. Let's give it a torch. And we can tilt. I like putting the black in there because the colors like to come up through. And it gives it a whole different look. But that phthalo green up here on my right side is not behaving. So we're going to stretch it out and hopefully can get something to come through that. It's a little funky. I like it. Okay, let's torch and see what we get. Got plenty of cells up here. They're trying, that's for sure. The Gold Interference did a great job with the black. It's everywhere in here. But this will change as it sits too. So let's do that. Let's let it set and see what we get. For you, it'll just be a couple seconds. For me, it'll be about 10 minutes. Be right back. And I'm back. It's only been about 5 minutes, but as I look at it, I see northern lights. So I think what I want to do is airbrush this black out and maybe airbrush this green in and see what we get. If I don't like it, I can always swipe it. So let's do this. There's a lot of paint here that we can play with. And I can always tilt some more down. And that will open up some more green for me. So that's working for me right there. I like the green showing up. It's an interesting little painting. Yeah, I like that much better. It does look very Northern Lights. I'm going to torch it one more time. But I think I'm going to leave it right there and see what develops from it. If not, we will paint something on it. But subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the bell for notifications so you can go any which way. But I'm kind of digging the colors together. I know when this dries it'll be beautiful with all that iridescent and interference. Yeah. So check out all the links below, the paint mixing videos, as well as our Amazon shop for all your paint pouring supplies and for the airbrush, all that good stuff. Check out Etsy for paintings. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. We like to do about 4 or 5 paintings. And of course our little mini auctions where you can pick them up at a reasonable price. Just to keep our stock low and to spread our artwork with our community. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.